Welcome to this lesson on converting to standard form. In this video, I'll show you how to convert from center radius form to standard form or long form. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have an example here of a circle in center radius form. And the first thing that I want to do is move the constant to the other side of the equal sign. So I'm basically subtracting 25 from both sides. So I'm going to bring everything else down. And I have nothing left on the right hand side of the equal sign, so I'll just add a 0. All right, so now I'm going to write the binomial squared out twice, since squared means to just multiply by itself. Then I will FOIL or distribute both sets of binomials. All right, so x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Then negative 3x, positive 9. And then the same thing with the y's. I'm going to bring down that plus. So y squared plus 4y plus 4y plus 16. And then bring down my minus 25 equals 0. Then I'm going to combine like terms. So I have negative 3x minus 3x, that's negative 6x. And then I have 9, 16, and negative 25. So I have lots of constants, so I'm going to add those. All right, and those actually cancel out. Then I have my y squared, and then 4y plus 4y, that's 8y, equals 0. All right, and then finally I'm going to put them in the correct order. So x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y equals 0. That's the standard way to write it. Okay, so let's try a couple of more examples. So again, I'm going to go ahead and combine the first and second steps. I'm going to write these out twice. And bring my 16 to the other side so it changes signs. Then I'm going to FOIL, so x squared plus x plus 1. Y squared plus 2y plus 2y plus 4. Then I'm going to combine like terms, so I have x squared and then x plus x is 2x. Let's go ahead and combine my constants, so I have 1, 4, and negative 16. That gives me negative 11. So let's just make that a negative. All right, then I have y squared. That doesn't have any like terms, so I'm just going to bring it down. And then 2y plus 2y is 4y. And it may help as you are combining like terms and bringing things down, if you want to like cross them out, just so I make sure that I have gotten everything. I have my y squared, I have my 2y and 2y, that's 4y equals 0. That way you don't leave any terms out. And then just rewrite it in the correct order, which is always x squared and then y squared. And then your x to the first power, your y to the first power, and then minus 11 equals 0. All right, go ahead and pause the video now and try the last one by yourself. All right, so let's see how you did. All right, so I wrote them out. I brought 25 over. Now I'm going to FOIL or distribute. All right, and then I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to cross out as I go. Let's see, 9 plus 16 is 25, minus 25, that's 0, so I don't have a constant to bring down. Negative 4y minus 4y, that is negative 8y, and then equals 0. And that's in the correct order. Well, actually, let's see, let's rearrange this. Now it's in the correct order. There we go. All right, so go ahead and stop the video now, and you can complete the practice and check it with your teacher.